All right, here are 3 tips on how to tell if your chain and sprockets are getting worn out. Tip number 1 is an easy one. You go back to the chain and sprockets, and right here, you pull the chain and sprocket off of here. Okay? See how I can pull that off? That should not come off if they're nice and smooth. Being able to pull that off tells me things are worn. All right, tip number 2. Your sprockets are becoming nice and sharp and pointy. Now, if you can't tell what it used to look like, here's a graphic of what it used to look like, brand new. That's what you need them to look like. If they're not nice and pointy, kind of like this is getting, those are worn. Now, they might not look too bad, but that's definitely worn. All right, tip number 3 is that your chain continues to stretch. You're like, I just adjusted the thing like 500 miles ago. Why is it stretched out again? I got to adjust it and lube it. Because when a chain is at the end of its life, it adjusts and stretches and adjusts and stretches and says, I'm done. And that's when you know it's time for you to be done with that chain and get a new one. Now, you're going to want to place those as a set. You put a new chain on worn sprockets, going to wear fast. You put new sprockets on a worn chain, gonna wear out fast. Place all 3 as a set. Do not violate this. Not terribly expensive in the realm of owning a motorcycle, and you just got to replace them as a set. Now, check out my other video with how to make your bike shift smoothly, and I go over how to lube and adjust your chain in that video. So check out my other videos, subscribe, there's more coming, and I'll show you the tips of the tools and lubes that I use that I've had to figure out over the years and now you can use them too because I've gone through them all. All right, if you like that video, there's way more to come, so share and the button, the thing, subscribe right there, do that.